And now we're entering the Celeste Center. So you can see here, there's RVs. This is specialty RV sales. And it is packed wall to wall with great travel trailers. If you're into the mod, this is the mod bug here. It's awesome because you've got your full kitchenette outside and then you've got your sleeping quarters inside. If you really enjoy that smaller camper, they've got it here. And not just this, but so many of them. So you've got a lot of pop-ups you could look at. I could get through the whole section here. There's just so many to see. And then your travel trailers, and of course your fifth wheels, and so many more. And right next door, this is what's so cool. Specialty RV is there. Here's RCD RV, and look at this. This is the kind of cool thing with the patio that's on the back. And this is basically everything contained in the camper that you would need. So you can come down here. Both entries are right off the main hall at the Celeste Center. And you enter here in the RCD, you will see a little bit of everything here. Straight through. You're not gonna be able to see everything in one visit. And this is just stopping through right now. And I mean, there's so many places to go in here and you could just find yourself lost in these forever. But there's all kinds of associates here helping you find. If you said, hey, I wanna find a toy hauler, they're gonna help you find it. You wanna find a fifth wheel, they're gonna help you find it. It's all here at the Ohio RV and Boat Show. And this is the Celeste Center